82% of creators admit they stall at the upload screen because they can craft a scroll-stopping caption or pick the right hashtags so engagement tanks and the algorithm buries their content. In today's day 16 of our 30-day AI Side Hustle Challenge, ULL spin up the caption cyclone. A lightning-fast workflow that pumps out a month's worth of SEO-rich, curiosity-spiking captions for TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, even Pinterest idea pins in under 15 minutes. Complete with emoji mood boards, 3-tier hashtag buckets, and built-in A/B hooks so you never stare at a blank description box again and viewers click, watch, and share more than ever. Quick interaction punch. Type captions on in the comments if you VA ever posted without a caption out of frustration. LL heart the first 50 and drop my raw GPT prompt. Step 1. Build a swipe file. Open Google Sheet Caption Bank with columns, hook, body hashtags, tier A, tier B, tier C, emojis. Copy your niche pain point list from Day 3 meal planning, budgeting, AI hacks, side hustle tips. Generate 30 captions for vertical videos about niche. Step 2. Super prompt. In ChatGPT, enter: "You are a viral short-form copywriter." Structure each hook, store in column E for quick copy-paste flair. Step 4. Hashtag bucket logic. Create 3 tab-separated lists in Notion: a big, B mid, C niche. Every new upload you grab one from each. YouTube Shorts likes 3 to 5 hashtags. TikTok tolerates 7 to 10. Bucket mixing optimizes reach plus relevance plus ranking. Step 5. Rapid A/B hook generator. Add second GPT prompt. Rewrite hook 10 ways punching curiosity. 30 char max. This gives hookah and hook for thumbnail text split testing. TubeBuddy rotates automatically. Higher CTR wins. Step 6. Integration automation. Open Zapier. Trigger new row in Google Sheet Caption Bank greater than less than 40 chars with 1 emoji. Body 60 chars. CTA link in bio. And suggest 3 tiers of hashtags. Paste meal planning printable as niche. ChatGPT spits a matrix like hook stop food waste. Return as CSV. Body meal plan in 5-minute link in bio. A hashtag meal prep. B hashtag weekly menu. C hashtag gluten-free planner. Download as CSV, drop into Caption Bank. Pattern interrupt number 1. Flash on screen a split screen of ChatGPT. Generating 30 lines in 3 seconds. Audience mesmerized and retention pops. For each caption, produce emoji sets matching mood. E.g. budget equals speed equals. Step 3. Emoji mood board turbo. Still in GPT prompt. Zap Action Formatter gives truncate to clean quotes greater than action. Add caption to Airtable view scheduled_shorts. Now, when you paste prompts into Sheet, captions auto-populate Airtable column captioned. Draft. Step 7. Upload pipeline. In Airtable, create fields. Video file, caption draft, date, status. Use Zapier again. When you drag a new pushes to YouTube via YouTube Data API as an unlisted short, then uses TubeBuddy bulk scheduler to set live dates. One-click schedules a fortnight. MP4 into Google Drive Shorts to upload. Zap pairs file name row. Inserts caption. Step 8. Mid-video binary question. Ask viewers, in captions, do you prefer one hashtag or many? Comment 1 or infinity. I'll share results in community post. Binary question increases mid-watch comments, pleasing algorithm. Step 9. Caption preview pattern interrupt. Film a 2-second montage. Smartphone typing versus GPT autofilling. Overlay 1 hour versus 1 minute. TikTok sound. Cut back to talking head keeps retention curve flat past 70%. Step 10. Localization boost. Ask GPT translate each hook body into Spanish and French. Keep emoji output to second sheet. Now shorts posted on alt channels reach global audience, doubling sub potential. Step 11. Compliance check. Run a free profanity filter to flag risky words. YouTube demonetization avoided. Step 13. Learning loop. Weekly exports YouTube Analytics subscribers gained per short. Color code green, gray, red. Step 12. Auto link back to long form. Append to body. Full guide channel with your playlist hashtag so shorts escalate binge sessions. Pivot by Caption ID. Every month refine prompt seed phrases. Prompt GPT. Analyze hooks that gained greater than 10 subs. Summarize pattern. Update sheet notes. Column success pattern. Step 14. Community flywheel. 24H after new batch publishes Google Analytics shows which caption vibe drives Etsy clicks. Craft future bundles around high click vibe. 3. Connect sheet gives Airtable gives YouTube Zap. 4. Schedule next 15 shorts tonight. 5. Comment factory on when done. Post a community poll. Vote best caption. A stop food waste or B. Pantry dollar saver include link to both shorts accelerate recency impressions. Step 15. Monetize captions. Slip unique UTM code in link in bio inside caption. Action flash checklist. 1. Copy super prompt below to GPT. 2. Dump CSV into Caption Bank. Your support helps the channel grow and reach more people who need this information.